make the best cars in the world is our responsibility. We want you to experience how amazing a BMW is in every mechanical and digital aspect. Our global team, with more than 10,000 software engineers, is dedicated to achieving this every day. Understanding science, mastering physics and bytes, finding deep tech solutions. This is what BMW is all about. Just using bigger screens is not innovative enough, not for our customers and not for us. BMW iDrive plays an integral role in our customers' mobility experience. It is the world's simplest and safest display and operating system. In the last 20 years, we have created a completely new BMW iDrive every 3 years, with every generation respecting a major technological step forward. Once again, we have totally reinvented it. I am proud to introduce to you for the first time ever the all-new BMW iDrive. BMW iDrive takes your interaction with your BMW to a new level. Intuitive, personal, supportive, and perfectly designed to the last pixel. Designed from the inside out around the driver, with only one purpose: enhancing your driving experience, transforming your BMW with one voice command into a sophisticated experience space tailored to your individual driving situation. And there's one more thing you will enjoy very much. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Hello, Frank. I'm your BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant. You can give me any name you like. I will take care of you as your personal companion. Thank you for giving me my own individual character. Now I can express myself much better.
Oh, you're welcome. We have developed more than 100 different designs before we chose you. I think our team has done a great job. Could you please tell us how exactly can you support our customers?
Sure, Frank. I know every detail of your BMW and learn with every drive. I take on many tasks and make useful suggestions. I will always be there, but only appear if you need me. Please allow me to show you.
When you think about car design, you picture silhouettes, materials, rims, and lights in a three-dimensional space. Now imagine translating this onto a screen. How do you start? We see the car as one design experience, so we start with the emotion. What do you want to feel? BMW position in every last detail, but this time with a flame of emotion never seen before in a BMW. We are excited that our design uses bold graphics. It loves modern, futuristic textures and shapes, bright light, and the interplay of reflections. The new user interface is unique and smart, with an easy information flow and natural interaction. We bring together all relevant information for you and display it at the right time and the right place. Of course, you can still adjust everything to your needs. In the driver-oriented information display and head-up display, you can easily choose between 3 awesome layouts: the luxury drive, the focus sport, and the reduced gallery layout. Whichever layout you choose, the content always adapts perfectly. Our design principles are also reflected throughout the control display. The clean structure and design will always provide the perfect overview, no matter how you choose to arrange your user interface. Our content is reduced to the essentials. The design plays with smooth animation to show less or more, depending on the situation. With our new Act, Locate and Inform principle, our displays are perfectly orchestrated. The information is prioritized, and it is presented on the relevant screen. You will find always the information you need quickly and easily. Our large horizontal control display allows us to offer you an amazing full-screen navigation player. You can choose between 3 map views. The adaptive one, for example, filters information based on the vehicle status and your habits. Our goal was to provide you a user interface with high information density, but with a simple and clear structure. At the same time, we created an emotional, unique design experience. The intelligence of the vehicle, the automation of functions, and a clear focus on speech and touch gave us the freedom to reduce control elements and design an interior of modern luxury that celebrates your personal space. In addition, we wanted to go beyond typical user interface design and offer a stage for curated and emotional moments, customized to you and adapting to the driving situation. The new My Modes form experience worlds you can feel, see and hear. We merge function with unique, spectacular design. The new My Modes adjust up to 10 settings with one command. Vehicle functions, layouts, great artwork, light and special sound design get you in the perfect mood for your driving situation. The personal mode is a customizable mode, where we invite you to create your own individual stage. The efficient mode has a clear focus on sustainable driving. It supports you with features like the intelligent efficiency trainer. The design is perfectly geared to wrap you in a uniquely calming experience, inspired by the flow of water, highlighted with the reflection of sunlight. The sport mode, on the other hand, immerses you in the world of driving pleasure through adjustments in acceleration and dynamic handling. The thrilling orange and a reduced layout boost your moment. With the new BMW iDrive, we want to create an emotional connection, a new relationship between you and your vehicle. And this new relationship starts with your first step towards our new iX. Welcome to our new BMW iDrive, the intelligent fusion of sensing.
I know you and your personal preferences. I anticipate your needs and take care of you. You don't have to think about how things work because the vehicle and I are interacting with you naturally and pleasantly.
Hey BMW, play favorite music.
You are in control to become the ultimate driver. I provide as much assistance as you want. I help you to focus and I empower you with contextual and accurate information in the right place at the right time. I connect you and your journeys seamlessly to your everyday life. All the information and content are always up to date and relevant to the situation. You are immersed in an aesthetically sophisticated environment. The experience is authentic and has a clear character. The moments I create are unique.
The new BMW iDrive brings a unique, authentic driver-vehicle relationship to you. Together with it, we are launching the BMW Operating System 8, the most powerful data processing system and technology stack we have ever created. Based on a centralized onboard network architecture with only a handful of high-performance computers, highly modular and flexible, created here at BMW. Both the new BMW iDrive and the new BMW Operating System 8 lay the perfect foundation for the digital character of BMW. Starting this year with the BMW iX, every new BMW model will become a true digital powerhouse with absolute top performance. 5G to enable high-performance connectivity to the BMW cloud, Gigabit Ethernet for the fastest in-car data flow of up to 30 gigabit per second. Super fast over-the-air updates in less than 20 minutes that keep the car safe, secure and running smoothly all the time. Special equipment functions you can remotely upgrade. All of this enables us to reach high speed from creating new functions to bringing them to our customers anytime, anywhere, and in addition to our major software releases. By year end, BMW will have the largest over-the-air upgradable fleet, 2.5 million cars worldwide connected by a swarm intelligence that supports and protects our customers in every driving situation. Our ambition is creating advanced digital technologies combined with pure driving emotion, finding new groundbreaking innovations to make your driving experience better and better. Making absolutely no compromise on quality, safety, and security over the whole product lifecycle, neither mechanical nor digital. This is what you can always and only expect from BMW. This is my promise to you. Thank you for joining us today.